Hey YouTube, Maker's Journey here. Told you I was going to do a smash video, so I went ahead. When I was up in New York with my brother, we did a lot of fishing up there. While I was up there, I gave my nephew his hammer, and we went ahead and did a quick smash video. We didn't break a whole lot of stuff up. We did 2 watermelons and a head of lettuce. To me, the head of lettuce looks the best. After the video, I'm going to go ahead and put all the dimensions at the end of the video for people who may want to make one and things like that. So I'm also going to post some photos at the end of this video for people who have held this and posed with it and stuff like that. So because whoever touches it they love it. They love it. So if there's anything you guys want to see me make in the future, please leave a comment and maybe I can make it happen. So we'll see what happens. So, but I hope you guys enjoy it.
Heavy.
It's too heavy.
I kind of knew that was coming. Oh, you got me. You got me good. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that. It was kind of fun. I wish I'd actually smashed more, to be honest. I kind of got carried. Trust me, I could see how you get carried away with it and things. So, but I'm gonna go on to the dimensions real quick. Now the other hammer, I gave it away, and I know what basically some of the dimensions are. The length of the head was 11 inches. The top to bottom this way. Let me make sure I'm in frame here. Yeah, top to bottom this way was the same as this one, which is 5.5. So this is 5.5 by 5.5. That one was 4.5 by 5.5, and a little bit longer. The tube that's going up in the middle here is a 1-inch, 1/8-inch wall tube, round. And then at the end, at the pommel, again, in the video, you can see how I made this and things like that. But the pommel was hard to slip over this one. I got this piece of tube, it was 50 thousandths over, but the other one was 1 inch with a 1/8 wall. So I had to make some adjustments for this one. And I kept this one because it does have a little sentimental value to me. I said in the last video, I started it 3 years ago and never finished it, and I always wanted one. So, but finally finished it, and here we are. So I'm really happy with it. A lot of people, if you're curious about it and you want to know how much it costs and things like that, go on my Etsy page. I'll put it down below. All right, let's just get to it right here. So the overall length is 17.5 inches. That's without the cap to the end. So we got a 1-inch tube with an 1/8-inch wall. This whole thing was made out of 11 gauge, and it weighs 8.5 pounds. So, because this is some of the things that I looked for and I couldn't find, like the depth from here to here. On this one, let me get my glasses on. I'm just going to give you a rough, but I know what it is. It's 1.5 inches. And that's from the height. And all I did was make a spacer with the, spacer dimensions inside here and just lay the cap on top. And then I just cut everything to size. But it's all 11 gauge. This plate is actually 3/16. And it's got a 1/2 thread in there. Just so that in the future, if I wanted to, I could drill a hole here and maybe fill it up with something, make it heavier. Can't, not just everybody can be worthy. But and then I just placed that in there. I rounded the bolt around till it fit in snug, and then I kind of just straightened things out and beat it around. I think you see it in the video. So, and then the leather, I had some leather laying around, and they do this. I'm not a real leather guy, so but they do this stuff in, I think it's called ounces. And the leather that I used for this was 6-7 ounce leather. So if that helps you out any, it helped me. I'm sure a belt would probably be just as good, to do that. I do admit, if there's one thing I wish I did different, I wish I'd got a shaving tool and I overlapped it That would have just looked better. I'm not entirely happy with this, and who knows, maybe in the future I'll change it. I doubt it, but but you never know. So but that's it. If there's any dimensions you want to know about, tell me, and I will try to help you out in the comments or something like that. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and again, thank you. Boxiness of it and things like that. Oh, I guess you're not worthy.
You put the magnet in there.